Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba kami ya katrat kampo yeng uba prestun tensong ha ka arpo tarik nai wing ulaong ba ka sorkar pedeng bat sorkar jela kilong kiba Kloi ban penlong ya ka iakren yasuk bat nongialam ba hakli ru jong kaseng henyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC shabar Kajela. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor ubat tensong ula kerpat ya nongialam ba hakli ru ka HNLC Bakim day bandon ya ka jingsngo bu ko ni artatin namarngi na kalyang ka sorkar kata la kalong na ka sorkar jela ni sorkar pedeng ngidon ya ka jingkot jingmut ka bashisha uba preston ula ongru lada kimsngo bakam long ka basngan ban penlong ya ka iakren hangni hapo ka jela Meghalaya ka sorkar kalong ka Kloi ban iakren sya kino ki jaka.
Both state and central government are serious about talks. And I would like to just refresh all of you that the formal talk has happened only once. Well, before that, so many informal talks has happened, even up to my level. So the formal talk has happened once. In that formal talk, ultimately, from the government side, both central and state government has requested the members of the HNLC, please allow the talk to continue, number one. And number two, because the decision to be taken should be only by the top leaders. And from the government side, Government of India and state government has already appointed interlocutor, and from the central government side also they already appointed with full authority. So what I'm trying to tell you here is this: the last meeting what we discussed in that formal meeting, we said, okay, since you cannot say anything right now, go back, share with your top leaders, and our opinion from the government side, state and central government is very clear. The moment they are ready, please come back. The door is open for talk. Maybe they talk number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, whatever it may be. But the talk should continue. But I've seen the statement made by the HNLC recently. They said that until unless you do this, we will not again come back for talk. So my request again to the HNLC is like this: please come back for talk, because until unless we talk face to face, what you want, what you really wanted to, we will not reach anywhere. And we have been sincere enough, not less than 3-4 months. We have taken care of the cadres. We have taken care of them, be it the safety, and there was no such arrest also. Why are you having that apprehension? So I would request the top leaders of the NGO, don't have any kind of apprehension, don't have any doubts. We are sincere from the government, be it state and be it central government, number one. And number two, if you feel that it is not safe for talking here within Meghalaya, we are ready even to talk anywhere. Central government and state government are ready to talk anywhere. If you want to have a talk maybe somewhere in Calcutta or somewhere in other states, we are ready for that. So my request to the top leaders of HNLC is very, very clear. The door is still open, and we would request to them to kindly come back for talk, and we are ready to talk across the table. Then why do you propose for talk? And you have sent your cadres, maybe the second line cadres, they were there with us. They were here very much with us, not less than 4 months. Was there anything wrong? Did we do anything? So I think they need to ask that question. That's why this time we requested them, because we really wanted to reach to the conclusion. Please come. We assure you, whether you want to come, safe passage, this will be given. And whether you feel that no, it is not safe within Meghalaya state, we are ready to talk anywhere else. That is the open-mindedness that we have both from state and central government.